This is a day I've been looking forward to for 2.5 years. Every once in a while, a revolutionary product comes along that changes everything.
Unless you live under a rock, you probably heard it by now. The Notion API is available in public beta. There's some good news. You can start using it today, but the bad news is that it's currently very limiting. It only supports text blocks, so you can't really do everything we can do with the HTML exports. But that shouldn't stop us from using the API. And on Tuesday, we're going to have a private stream on Patreon using Crowdcast, and I'll be sharing what's on the agenda. I'm not going to talk about what I want to do and how we're going to approach it, because considering that this is a public beta, let me emphasize, it's a public beta. That means that things are going to change. So I will not be putting any of my plans publicly available. I'll limit the scope. So I look forward to sharing my plans with Patrons and other supporters. And please do note that we do intend to use the API. We want to go over to the API, but I just don't want to do that publicly just yet. So we're going to have a version of Notion to Anki, which is going to be closed source for a temporary, in order to garner feedback and figure out which direction we want to go, and figure out all of the stumbling blocks so that when people get to use Notion to Anki later, it will be robust, simple, and easy to use. I just don't have the time to deal with the one-on-one basis with everybody, so I have to limit it, unfortunately. But please do know, Notion to Anki is going to remain free. We plan on going in that direction, and all of the code is going to be open source. So if you want to be a part of this journey, you can do that on Patreon or via GitHub sponsor that. And I will, of course, whenever stuff is ready, try to get it out here on YouTube as fast as possible. So one change that's currently available, it's only on the dev server, I haven't really merged it, is Notion IDs. And currently the way, I have another video explaining how we generate the IDs. You can check that out if you're curious. But we want to use the IDs from Notion, and the reason why we want to use the IDs from Notion is that we want Notion to be the source of truth. That way, if you change anything in Notion, we will always be able to update what's in Anki, right? A few other things I had to revert and also bug fix related to subpages. There were some names with the deck name. They should be resolved. Thanks for everybody who reported issues. If you're still experiencing issues related to that, please let me know, send me an example. And I also know about another bug which I haven't gotten to look at closely yet, is that you can end up with 0 nodes, and it's regardless of what your configuration is, the settings. So that one is still being investigated, and yeah, that's the short summary. There is a new card option coming out, Notion IDs, and mostly everything else is bug fixes. That's it for this round, and I look forward to the live stream on Tuesday, where I'll be sharing the plans, what I'm thinking of doing with the Notion API, how we're going to approach things. And I hope you Patrons watching this, hopefully, will join me, and everybody else who's watching this on YouTube. If you have any thoughts, feedback, let me know in the comments below. And I know most of you watching are not subscribers, so please do smash the subscribe button if you haven't already done it. And also please like it so the algorithm can get this video out to more people. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.